and welcome to this session on riveting with various types of rivets. Let's begin with the session.
Let us look at the objectives of this session. At the end of the session, you will be able to prepare the layout spacing for the riveting with countersunk head, mark and drill hole for riveting as per drawing, rivet countersunk head rivet, flat head rivet, snap head rivet and pan head rivets. Let us first learn the preparation of sheet metal and layout spacing for many types of rivet. Mark and cut 8 work pieces of the given raw material to the size of 50 by 48 mm using a steel rule and snip. Flatten the sheets on the dressing plate using mallet. For countersunk rivets, pitch is equal to 6 into rivet diameter D. We know that rivet diameter is equal to 3 mm. Therefore, pitch is equal to 6 into 3 mm is equal to 18 mm. Prepare the layout spacing for countersunk head riveting as per the drawing. Prepare the layout spacing of 3 pairs of metal sheets for snap head, flat head and pan head riveting as per the drawing. Now, let's move on to the punching and drilling of the rivet holes. Punch on the center mark using dot punch and ball peen hammer. Drill 3.2 mm diameter holes on all center punched marks on part 1 sheet and 1 central hole on the part 2 sheet as per the drawing. Place the part 1 of sheet having all holes punched above part 2 such that the overlapped edges of the sheets coincide with the marked lines. Ensure that the part 1 and 2 are positioned such that the drilled holes are aligned. Insert 3 mm diameter countersunk head rivet in the center hole. Repeat the previous procedure for inserting snap head, flat head and pan head rivets as per their respective layouts. Let us now learn about the riveting with different types of rivet. Form the rivet head for countersunk with the help of a rivet set using a ball peen hammer. Drill the remaining holes on the bottom piece of the sheet through the holes already drilled on the part 1 sheet. Use countersunk tool on the drilled hole in part 2 so as to seat countersunk head rivet. Deburr the holes with larger sized drill, rotating it on the drilled holes by hand. Insert the countersunk rivet and form the rivet heads one by one to make single riveted lap joint chain with the help of rivet set and a ball peen hammer. Now drill holes and insert the flat head rivets and form the rivet heads one by one to make a single riveted lap joint chain with the help of a rivet set and a ball peen hammer. Similarly, drill holes and insert the snap head rivets and form the rivet head one by one to make a single riveted lap joint chain with the help of a rivet set and a ball peen hammer. Similarly, drill holes and insert the pan head rivets and form the rivet heads one by one to make a single riveted lap joint chain with the help of a rivet set and a ball peen hammer.
To recap, we have learned to prepare the layout spacing for the riveting with countersunk head, mark and drill hole for riveting as per drawing, rivet, countersunk head rivet, flat head rivet, snap head rivet and pan head rivets. So that's all about riveting with various types of rivets. Hope you have understood all the concepts and exercises. See you in the next session.